Hey guys, so if you've ever wondered exactly how our spray truck works, I'll run through kind of a quick little run through of it, and so you can see, because some people will ask why we have two hose reels and the tank up here. So I'll show y'all real quick kind of how this works, and you'll have a better idea if you're curious. So the tank is actually a 400 gallon, it's what we call a split tank. So it's two compartments, and if you see up top, you see the two lids up there, and we actually have a 300 gallon tank, and the other compartment is a 100 gallon tank. So what we use for the turf is this green hose. It's a 400-foot hose, and we generally will keep anything from fertilizer to herbicide in here, and that is used specifically for the grass. And our other tank, which is this yellow hose, we use this mainly for our planting beds. We will spray the fertilizer in there. Herbicide never gets put into this tank, so we know it is always safe. We can clean out this big one, but it's never 100% guarantee. We know for a fact anything we put in here, whether it's a fungicide, insecticide, or fertilizer, there's nothing going in this tank that is going to kill the grass or kill the plants. So this is generally, we're leaving this for our planting beds and any type of fungicides that may need to go out. So that's kind of the two there. They're both 400-foot hoses, so we have a lot of reach to them. Different style nozzles on there for the same reasons of different applications. One works better for grass, one works better for plants. And when we say plants, we're mainly spraying up underneath them. We want to get it on the soil or the mulch or the ground cover and let it wash down into the soil. And then if you look down here, you will see these are the two regulators, and basically, to keep it simple, we have adjustments here, but we also have fill valves, so if we need to just have water in, say, this tank, we can fill up our backpack sprayers. And there's not much to that part right there, but this is actually made by Graham spray equipment, and it is made outside of Atlanta, and they do a great job of custom building our sprayers, and they'll kind of outfit it to whatever we need. This is the setup that we prefer. A 400 gallon tank is plenty for 1 day's worth of product, if not more. And here are the pumps to it. So we have two pumps, one for each tank. This will basically put the product out, and it'll agitate the product in the tank. We've got other hoses and stuff up underneath there that nothing worth showing, but there's some plumbing moving around up underneath there. So that's basically how it works. Of course, what we put in there, application rates and all that's a whole another story, but this is the reason why you see two pumps, two hoses, and one tank. If y'all have any questions, just leave in the comments below and we'll get it answered. Thanks a lot.